Hello guys. Where are we here? A little brock up. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Hello, Marjan. Looking a little bit bare. Wow. This is a spot, isn't it? Beautiful, beautiful. Well, she's not looking in bad condition, is she? A bit of brickwork down there. Fantastic. Nice. Old school. Proper dry dock. Oh gosh. Boom. Oi, sailor. Oi. Alright, come aboard. Fucking hell, there's some rope there, isn't it? A little bit worse to wear this place, but because it's been here a while. Right. Have a look over there, look at that. Beautiful. What a fantastic view. Oi. Look at that. Beautiful. Is that an old lifeboat or something down there?
There's tugs and all sorts. A mixture of different vessels.
It's wicked, isn't it?
Yeah.
Crazy old boat yard. That looks like an old lifeboat.
Yeah, exactly. That is one.
Under a tarp that's long gone, same as this. Yeah, once was a tarp. Sorry?
They're working on that one. Inside.
Massive old. Oh yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah.
Old Thames sailing barge. That Orinoco.
That's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that.
There's 3 of them here. One of them's gone out this afternoon. They're racing this weekend.
Racing, eh?
Yeah. It holds a couple of records called Iron Sight.
It's beautiful, man.
Yeah.
The old sunset over there as well.
Yeah, that long building is the place where they make the anodes.
An old building. Oh, you at? I do love little places like this, man.
Wicked, isn't it?
It's full of interesting little things and bits of engineering and places that you'd never be unless you're actually part of this kind of community in this scene.
Yeah.
Just don't see these things in normal life. Nice little slipway. Look at that. Quality old warehouse.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, is that a transit?
Yeah.
Beautiful, look at that. Proper bit of history, man. Not living on his transit.
No.
Is that?
Log burner chimney coming through the top.
Oh yeah, I see. So what's this? Is this converted residential?
Yeah.
Wow, what a place to own. Really nice location as well. I bet the view out the windows is fantastic.
Probably made into an apartment.
Yeah, I presume so. Oh yeah, look at the panel on the door.
Yeah.
Still.
What's the cupboard full and whatever you've got in your pocket.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a tricky situation. This will be fun in the dark. Oh god blimey, man. It's getting a little bit hectic here. God blimey. Got both hands full here. On the walk. West Bay House, look at that. Beautiful. Sorry man, taking our time.
Old tug with a 2000 horsepower engine in it, that one back there.
Oh, the blue one?
Yeah.
Oh, so it looks like a proper sort of Thamesy kind of tug, doesn't it? But it's got bow thrusters all round, mate. Thrust the shit out of
Fully
anything.
thrusted up.
Ain't no messing. Oh man, lovely little place to cox and live down there, man. So where's the marina? Would that be where you'd be sort of next door to where you are now?
This is it here.
Okay,
This
this
is
is where you'd be mooring.
somewhere. I need to go into
Cool.
their office and
Have a little
inquire
chat.
exactly what place that they're thinking of. If it's still available, that is.
And look, these old Dutch
Lee balls.
Lee balls, yeah.
Yeah.
Brilliant, look at that. Wow. Yeah, got a size on them. Brilliant place, man. I'd get more in here all day long.
Yeah, this is where I'm hoping to end up.
It's lovely, isn't it? Oh, look at that.
Customs house.
Ah, fantastic. Look at them stairs. Oh, man, the old plaque on the roof. Beautiful. Gotta finish this shit while we go this way, isn't it? Alright, better stop filming all this. Talking nonsense. Catch you in a bit.